Question is, if functions of 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1, then find functions of x. Solution. First write the question. If name it equation number 1. First let y is equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. Solve it for x. So y into 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, or transpose 2x to the left and take out common x, 2y minus 2, 1, y into minus 1, 1, and when transposed to the right, this will be plus y, or x is equal to 1 plus y by minus 2. From equation 1, what we are having, f 2x plus 1 replace 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 by y and x by this. So we can write f of y, that is equal to, replace x by this, 1 plus y by 2y minus 2 plus 1, and denominator minus 2 minus 1. Now simplify again. See, when it will be simplified, from numerator 2y minus 2 and denominator 2y minus 2 will get cancelled, and only after simplification this and this will remaining. That means 1 plus y plus 2y minus 2 in the denominator, 1 plus y minus 2y minus plus 2. Now again simplify 1 and minus 2. First write y plus 2y 3y, 1 minus 2 minus 1 by y minus 2 minus y, 1 plus 2 3, or if y is equal to, we can write this 3y minus 1 by, take out common from minus, writing here y minus 3. Now we replace y by x. We will have, we replace y x, fx is equal to minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 3. The last equation is the functions of x. These will represent functions of x, where denominator must not be 0, so x not is equal to 3. You are requested to subscribe and like. Thank you.